Hello, class of Math 2050 Statistics. Today, I'm going to present my video of my clip of what this presentation is about and to show verification and proof of statistics. Thank you. This is statistical presentation 1, my introduction. Hello, class of Math 2050 Statistics. My name is Christopher Johnson, and I'm here at Concordia University of Wisconsin, whereas I am majoring in pre-law psychology. However, outside of school, in which I am a legal studies paralegal, and I contract with various vendors as a delivery driver, where both of the jobs that I do require a vehicle. The problem is, I want to lay down some facts that is statistical, and it affects each and every one of us in the state of Wisconsin, where the gas prices are going up outrageously. And I choose this topic due to the fact that the cost of fuel is not just some abstract in regards to a math equation. Believe me when I say this. This is true facts of the world and actual life statistics that have control of the way that we spend, making many of us wondering what we're going to have left over for other expenses such as rent or food. Going over the different gas types. Now, if you look at the bar chart, basically comparing the cost of fuel that is statewide, in which averages that is reported by the AA fuel prices, many men or women that is prudent and intelligent can see crystal clear that it is a clear upward change in all areas. Whereas the statistical for the starting point for regular unleaded gas is approximately $4.54 per gallon. Mid-grade average approximately are $5.07 per gallon. With premium comes out approximately $5.66 per gallon. The most historic high for any statistical that is on this chart is diesel, which has height approximately $5.84 per gallon. The Milwaukee Journal reports that this is an unusual increase and that it is a record increase, which is considered a record high for the state of Wisconsin. As people compare the numbers, we can see that energy market is experiencing outrageous hikes. Price difference across the state of Wisconsin. From the statistics, in which displays the geographical areas of the state of Wisconsin, dictates how much a person would pay at the pump while going over the data across the state of Wisconsin. Where in the major areas that are considered to be metropolitan, anyone can clearly see that people in the eastern part of Wisconsin pay more for fuel than those of the western part of Wisconsin. The southeastern state of Wisconsin of the urban areas are going through it bad with outrageous and intensive financial pressure, whereas Kenosha County has the highest for the state of Wisconsin with a price range of $4.73 per gallon average, in which the Milwaukee and Waukesha areas in which trails almost near at $4.67 per gallon, where in the central parts of the state of Wisconsin, such as Madison and Wausau, levels out to approximately $4.63 per gallon. On the other hand, for the state of Wisconsin, Eau Claire received the lowest prices of gas, coming in at $4.30 per gallon. The statistics shows verification and proof that the delivery cost and the taxes that is brought by each county is why gas prices are different from each part of the state of Wisconsin. Why prices are so high? The reason why gas prices are so high due to the fact that supply was hit severely, and that is what is going on. Whereas, bam, at the same time, two things was hit, in which some of the oil refiners in the Midwest had to close due to emergency repairs, where there's less gas to pass around. And that is why we are paying more out of pocket right now around the world. Crude oil has reached approximately $100 a barrel because of the tension in regards to the Strait of Hormuz, in which has disrupted oil shipments. When the shutdown of the oil refiners and the global shipping, whereas that immediately means less fuel for everyone. And with those still in need for gas to commute to work in other places, the gas prices has hot. Conclusion. In conclusion, while going over the fuel data, of the state of Wisconsin, it shows us the overall statistic, in which is a reflection of our own life. When our oil refineries went down and the conflict that is going on overseas, those two combinations together are what is hitting our pockets and messing with our monthly budget. Furthermore, the statistical information that I am displaying in this study I had got from the AA Fuel Prices portal and from other resources such as the Milwaukee Journal Sentinel. Thank you for your time and consideration on this important matter. Thank you, class. Reference and citation: AA Fuel Prices, Wisconsin State's Average Data. The Milwaukee Journal Sentinel: Wisconsin gas prices continue to rise as diesel hits another record high. Published May 4, 2026.